Hi guys, my name is Nadia Vega. I am from the 12th class of Science 1. I will make a video on how to cook instant tteokbokki. Let's get started. First, prepare the instant tteokbokki. The first step is to cut the tteokbokki into small pieces. Next, put the chopped tteokbokki into the pan, then add 16 tablespoons of water.
There's something about the way the street looks when it's just rained. There's a glow.
Cook the tteokbokki.
Walk me to the car, and you know
Add a little water if it's still not enough.
in the middle of the parking lot.
The next step is to add the tteokbokki sauce.
We're driving down the road.
Then I add noodles to make the tteokbokki even more delicious.
But you're just so cool.
Add a little water if it's still not enough.
Making me want
Tada! The tteokbokki is ready. It's easy, right?